Namaste friends, this is Nisha Thakur here, and after mastering the technique for solving equations that are simple one-step equations, we are ready to consider two-step equations. As we solve two-step equations, the important thing to remember is that everything works backwards. Uh, in order of operations, we do first multiply and divide and then add or subtract. So here first add and subtract and then multiply or divide. We do backwards. Okay. So here this question is given 5 plus n upon 4 equal 4. So how to solve for n? So here this is divide, 4 is dividing and 5 is adding. So just backward operation means use order of operations backwards. So here first subtract, subtract what? Subtract 5. Okay. So here this is cancel, n upon 4 equal 4 minus 5 minus 1. Okay. Now how to get rid of your 4, this number? So here we have to, here this is dividing, so other means both side multiply by 4 and this is cancel. So n value is minus 1 times 4 minus 4. So our answer is this. Can we check? N value, okay, here we can write n value minus 4 upon 4. This is okay. We can check we get 4 or not. So 5 minus 4 upon 4 we get minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So yes, we got 4. It means this answer is correct. Okay, let's do second question. Here what should we do? How to isolate R? So just backwards of order of operations or PEMDAS rule. So first here subtract 4. First remove 4. Okay. So this is cancel and 102 minus 4 which is 98 minus 7R. And minus 7 is multiplying with R. So what is the opposite of multiply? Divide. And divide by what? Minus 7. Okay. And 98 divided by minus 7, answer is in minus, and 98 divided by 7, 14. Okay. So this is our answer. Can we check this is correct or not? So minus 7, R value minus 14 plus 4. So negative negative will be positive. 14 times 7, 98. 98 plus 4 is 102. And yes, we got 102. It means this is correct answer. Okay. So you can check your answer correct or not. Okay. Now here what should we do first? We have to make isolate n. So which one first remove? Minus 8 or plus 3? Think about it like backward of order of operations. So first add or subtract, then multiply or divide. So first we can subtract because here positive 3, opposite of positive negative. So we can subtract both side 3. Minus 8 and equal minus 77 minus 3 is minus 80. Okay, minus 8 is multiplying with n, so others means so minus 8 multiply with n, so we can divide both side by minus 8. Okay, now minus 8 cancelled by minus n, so we get n, and here minus minus cancel, make positive, and 80 divided by 8, which is 10. And your work is, you can check, you can put your n value and check you will get a minus 77 or not. It is your work, okay? Just like homework. Okay, here b upon 3 plus 7. So what should we remove first? 3 or 7? Yes, 7. So here plus 7. So how to remove this? When we subtract 7. Okay, both sides. Now b upon 3 equal, because this is cancel, 10 take away 7 is 3. Now here 3 is dividing, so both side multiply with 3. Okay, so what is b value? This is 3 cancelled by 3, just b, and 3 times 3 9. So what is b value? B value is 9. You can check your answer is correct or not. Okay, minus 2x plus 4. So here we have to subtract 4 both side, minus 2x minus 2x equal 22 take away 4, which is 18, and now both side divide by minus 2. So what is x value? Answer is in negative. So answer is minus 9, negative 9. Okay, you can check your answer is correct or not. Okay, this is last question. Here what should we remove first? First subtract 1 both side. Okay, so minus x equal minus 11 minus 1 minus 12, and we have to find out x value, but this is minus x, so both side multiply by negative 1, or both side divide by negative 1. Same thing, you can choose any one. I am multiplying both side minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So this is x and this is 12. So minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. Okay. So these are also very easy questions, two-step equations. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.